Are your RPG Maker VX Ace apps crashing due to the rgss300.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we begin the manual steps for rgss300, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the rgss300, the Ruby game scripting system rgss3 for RPG Maker VX Ace. It provides the unmanaged core for high-resolution graphics and advanced scripting manifests within the game data link. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software suite. Download and reinstall the latest version of RPG Maker VX Ace to restore the rgss300.dll library without risking system instability. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the rgss300 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for rgss300.dll, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your rgss300 environment. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for rgss300 and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.